Howdy, this is a Blue Yeti review. So, as you can see, or hear, it's a pretty good microphone. It picks up a lot. So you have to mess with the gain, the volume. A couple of things is that it has 4 different options. You can choose like bi-directional, one-way, the whole room. So yeah, you can do lots of stuff with it. It's priced $150. I recommend it if you have a purpose for it. You probably won't need another microphone ever unless you're doing something weird. So yeah, comment, rate, subscribe, like, dislike, whatever. Yeah, and I have a tip video about how to connect your microphone to your DSLR, because it took me a while to find out. I don't know why. But yeah, check that out for the Blue Yeti phone, microphone, and I'll see you guys later. In case you were wondering, doesn't look that good, huh? Some kind of pasta with turkey ground beef. Oh yeah, for the win.